Now, children, let us study coordinating conjunctions with examples and their explanation. For. For is used to cite a reason or purpose. It can be used like because. For example, I have to find a new job for I am unemployed. Children, we could have written these sentences like I have to find a new job because I am unemployed. Second is and. And children, and connects or add one thing to another. For example, I have one dog and three lovebirds. So this is connecting the two things. You also say like this when we were in very lower classes, we used to study Ram is a good boy, Sita Ram is a good boy, Lakshman is a good boy. So how can we add Ram and Lakshman are good boys? So when we want to join two statements, two words or two things, we can use and. This is so simple. Next is nor. Nor, children, it is used to indicate negative idea to an already existing negative idea, or you can make it simpler that when we have to use two nots and not, or when we have to use two nots, we can easily use nor. Like neither Mark nor Mary were at the school yesterday. It means this is the sentence in which two nots were there, like Mark was not at school, Mary was not at school. Two nots are there, so we can use neither and nor. Children, one thing more, nor is a coordinating conjunction, but if you use neither nor together, either or together, it will be a correlating conjunctions. It will be a correlating conjunction. Next is but. So where is but used? We have already gone through it that but can be used where two opposite statements are there. I go to work on Sundays, but I don't go to work on Saturday. Next is or. Or can be used when we cite a choice, or when we present alternatives or options, then we can use or. We can write like this also: does Clark have any brothers or sisters? Two things are there and we have to choose one, but take more appropriate sentence. Let us take an example: do you like tea or coffee? Two things are there, all right, and you can opt one. Next is yet. Yet can also be little bit used like that of but. I really wanted my son to study at university, yet he left the school. But he left the school, however he left the school, right? Two different things are there. One is the wish and the another thing is the reality that is totally different to the wish. So we have used yet. So we have already studied that it can be used as therefore. Now children, let us do this correlative conjunctions. Children, these are the conjunctions that are always used in pair. Like first we will take neither nor. We have already studied that where two nots are there, we can use neither nor, right? Natalie likes neither milk nor ice cream. So she doesn't like milk, she doesn't like ice cream. So two nots are there, we can use neither nor. Next is either or. Either or is there when two things are there and we have to give a choice. Like I will eat either carrots or peas for dinner, means two things are there and one I will opt. But children, these things are used together, that is why they are correlative conjunctions. Both and when we have to use two things and we have to join two statements, we can use and, like that only we can use both and. For example, the dinner was both delicious and nutritious. So when we are giving two qualities of the same thing,